How are you doing today? Thought I would do something a little different than what I usually do. I'm actually going to go into my pen wrap that I take to work with me. Do one of the pens. It's kind of one of my everyday pens. Go ahead and take this out of here. And my work pens are primarily cheaper ones. I do carry a couple nicer ones. I do have a Sailor Pro Gear in here. I have a Platinum 3776. A Pilot Lucina, and then a Pilot Prera, and that's what this video is going to be about today. So the Pilot Prera is a smaller pen. So I'll give you some examples. So there it is. Here it is next to a Platinum 3776. Focus for you. So you can see it is much smaller, a little bit smaller still than the Sailor Pro Gear. See, it's still smaller than that, and then not very common pen. I might do a video on this one, the Pilot Lucina. So you can see it is a small pen. Having said that, though, it is not too small to use unposted. I do not post my pens, so I do use it unposted, like I said. It is probably about the limit, though, of what is considered usable. And what makes this one special is it is what they call the calligraphy medium nib. And you can see it is a stub, but it's not too wide that, I use it at work every day. Gives your writing a little flair, but it's not too big that you can't use it. Normal ruled paper. Also, this is kind of a drier writer. I have some Liberty's Elysium in there. It's almost empty, which is why I wanted to go ahead and do the video. So I'll do the quick writing sample. So it is the Pilot. Make sure I spell Prera right. And it is the CM nib is what you see it posted online. And you can see it gives just a little bit. It is not much of a stub. But I will do the hash marks so you have an idea. So you can see there is a noticeable difference between the up and down and the cross. Like I said, this is junky paper and it works just fine on it. So it works great at the office, which is just normal junky American paper, copy paper, nothing special. It works great. It's a nice writer. It's not a tipped nib, so it is just steel. But it's fairly smooth. Once again, being a drier writer, it has a little bit of tooth to it, but I have no problems writing with it. Writes with they do call it the calligraphy medium, and I would agree it is a medium nib, especially for a Japanese pen. I like that you can see everything in the pen. It is all clear. So here it is in my hand, and I wear a men's large, but I do not hold my pen way out like that. I do hold back like that. You can see I write with no problem without posting it. The two cons of this pen. First of all, because it is small, it is the Con 50. So, you could use a cartridge in there, but just the Con 50s do not hold that much ink. See, I just got a little bit left in there. Other thing, and I don't know if this is just this particular model, this pen dries out. If I do not use this pen for a couple weeks, I have to wet the nib, get it going again, or twist the knob of the converter to get some ink flowing. So, this, because it is a push, it is not a threaded. It feels nice when it clicks on, but it just must not seal that great. So it will dry out, and also it is white, so you do not see the nib. Kind of ugly looking. This is what they call the black version. It's got the black accents on the top and the bottom. So once again, it's the Pilot Prera in the calligraphy medium nib. Pen I use almost every day at work. I think you can get these for around 30 bucks or so. They're not too expensive, and I think that even includes the converter. But, nice little pen. Quick for writing notes at work, which is why I like the, it not being a screw on. It's just, grab it when you gotta take a note. But I'll do just the quick, it is a nice writer here. Get on the camera. It's nice for cursive. It's a nice writer. People actually comment on my handwriting at work when I write with this, and they see my notes and they ask what kind of pen I've been writing with, because it does have a little bit of flair to it. So, nice little budget pen. If I think you can get these on other lower end pilots like the Plumix, and I believe they do all switch between each other, including the Metropolitan. But yeah, it's a fun little pen. Nice one for work. Like I said, because of the easy on, easy off cap. Just a cool little pen. So yeah, Pilot Prera in the calligraphy medium. And if you like kind of the videos on the cheaper pens, let me know. I can do more. I do have a bunch of pens that I rotate through work, so I don't have just extremely nice ones. I do have a nice mix. If there's anything in particular, maybe I can get my hands on it, or I might have it. I have a decent collection because I do take my fountain pens to work with me. So if you have any questions, comment below, and thanks for watching. Bye.